Hello, my name is Quint McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to take a look at stock number 31378. Again, that's stock number 31378, which is a Hino 155 crew cab. Now, some of you may not be very familiar with the Hino brand, but the Hino is actually the commercial vehicle from Toyota. So that same great durability and reliability you get with all the Toyota products going in the Hino brand as well. Now, this is going to be Hino 155 crew cab, which is going to give you 7-man seating legally. So no longer are you actually condensed down to the 3-man crew. You can actually expand your crew up to 7 men and actually work on those commercial grade projects as well. This particular unit will be powered by a J05 Hino engine and be married to a 6-speed automatic Isuzu transmission. It's a proven combination in the Class 4 and Class 5 industries, especially in the landscape realm. Now again, it's going to be the 155, so it is going to have a 14,500 GVW, which is well below the CDL, and will actually give you a lot of versatility to get your zero turns and other products from job site to job site. It will also be backed by a 5-year, 200,000-mile engine warranty, as well as 5 years of what's called Hino Insight, which give you the ability to not only track and trace your truck, but also be able to self-diagnose from your phone, tablet, or computer. The first thing you're going to notice about this truck is its cab over design. That means the cab is over the front axle and over the engine. What that's going to give you is a smaller footprint and also a lot more visibility and maneuverability. What we like to say is we like to ditch the hitch. No longer do you have to have a trailer behind this truck or a trailer behind your flatbed. You can condense that down to one chassis rail and actually have the maneuverability to get around those cul-de-sacs or those tight turning radiuses, and your safety ratings and maneuverability ratings will go way up. Again, it is going to be an offering from Toyota, so that creature comfort or that passenger comfort is going to be there, and it's really well recognized by the back seat. If the cameraman take a really good look in the back, I'll come around here to the side here and open up to this nice spacious cab. Again, it will be a 4-man bench back here with some triangle kits. But what's really, really nice about this truck, with all the windows here in Texas, it can get really hot. It will have a rear AC back here. This rear AC will keep your guys nice and cool when they're going down the road, as well as if you're operating winter months, a nice rear heater as well. Coming to the front, sticking with that nice Toyota feel, using the grab handles. Super easy to get in and out of this cab, and you'll be sitting on a full magnetic driver's seat. Now this will be fully adjustable, so you can glide and recline, and you combo that with a tilt telescopic. Any driver of any size can fit efficiently in here and safely. A 2-man bench from here, as well as an in-cab workstation where your guys can do their job site reviews or any kind of logbooks from inside the cab and get out of the elements. Power locks, power windows, and this particular model will have power mirrors, which is really, really nice if you're going to have multiple drivers in this cab, because they can adjust their sight lines from inside the driver's seat and not have to do it mainly by getting in and out of the cab. You'll also have, of course, your AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, your AC, and again, it is a 6-speed automatic, so it's a turnkey operation. Put it in drive and go. A multi-information dash display will give your guy some critical data points, as well as keeping his eyes straight to the front, so he can safely monitor his truck while he's going down the road. We'll go ahead and take a look in the back here. And again, this truck will have a 16-foot Morgan dry van, and also boasts a really nice clean side frame. And I point this out because any kind of toolbox or expanded metal outside cage you want to put for your fuel cans, you can put on the outside here without a problem. I also want to point out that a lot of people just see a 16-foot white van going down the road. But in Industrial Power, we actually see the opportunity to turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars by putting either a simple decal system or even a fully customizable wrap on this box. You can turn this truck into a mobile billboard for your company, so it keeps advertising for you as it goes down the road. Again, that's done here at Industrial Power. We literally be your one-stop shop for all your truck needs, whether it be your chassis, body, or even these dovetail ramps that we manufacture here at the body shop. Now, we've done this for many, many years here in the landscape business, and so we know exactly what you guys need to be successful and efficient. This nice expanded metal model here will keep any kind of dirt, mud, or any kind of debris outside of the box and fall straight through, while also self-cleaning your guys' boots. This nice steel cage here is going to have multiple seasons, and we've also had more robust springs, and so no longer do your springs break after one season. You can get multiple seasons out of these springs as long as you lubricate them as they go. The pitch is really nice for your zero turns or any kind of wheelbarrows or any other equipment that's not going to be on wheels. It's easy to push up or ride up. This box is going to be your really nice plywood blank canvas. Any kind of shelving, any kind of racks you want to put in here, water racks or blower racks, you can put it on here with this 3/4 inch plywood. And so it's a super nice blank canvas to really customize it to what your guys is going to need. I think we've done a really good job taking a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, go to our website, search for 31378 on the search bar, put in your key on our truck, and one of our salesmen will contact you directly. Go to our LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook pages. Give us a follow on all three. We're extremely active. I appreciate taking some time to look at this vehicle. Thanks, and have a great day.